Every 40 seconds, someone in the world has a seizure. If it happens in front of you, do you know what to do? Most people don't. And the wrong move could hurt them. Here's exactly what to do, step by step. Seizures can happen anywhere, at work, at home, on the street. What you do in the first minute matters more than you think. First, stay calm. Panicking helps no one. Your calm is what keeps the situation safe. The moment the seizure begins, check the time. This detail matters. It tells you when to call emergency help. Move away anything hard, sharp, or dangerous furniture, bags, hot drinks, anything nearby that could cause injury. Place something soft under their head, a jacket, a pillow, even your hands, to prevent injury from movement. Do not restrain them. You cannot stop a seizure by holding someone still, and doing so can cause injury. This is a big one. Never put anything in their mouth. They cannot swallow their tongue, and objects can cause choking or broken teeth. If clothing is tied around the neck, gently loosen it to help them breathe easier. Keep watching the clock. Most seizures stop within 1 to 2 minutes on their own. If the seizure lasts longer than 5 minutes, call emergency services immediately. This is a medical emergency. Also call for help if the person is injured, if this is their first seizure, if seizures repeat back to back, or if they're in water, pregnant, or known to be diabetic. Stay with the person the entire time. Never leave someone alone during or right after a seizure. Watch what's happening, but don't try to stop the movements. Just make sure the surroundings stay safe. Once the movements stop, the real care begins. This next part is just as important. Gently roll them onto their side. This keeps their airway clear and prevents choking if they vomit. They may feel confused, tired, or embarrassed afterward. Stay with them until they're fully awake and aware. Speak softly. Tell them what happened and that they're safe. Confusion after a seizure is completely normal. Check gently for any cuts or bumps from the fall, and let medical responders know if you find any. Let's recap the don'ts. Never hold them down, never put anything in their mouth, and never leave them alone. Now you know exactly what to do. Share this video because the next time it happens, you might be the only person who knows how to help.